Corcovado National Park, located in Costa Rica, is a stunning natural treasure that attracts tourists from all over the world. Known for its breathtaking scenery and rich biodiversity, Corcovado is a must-visit destination for nature lovers and adventurers alike. Covering over 164 square miles, Corcovado National Park is considered one of the most biologically intensive places on Earth. It is home to an incredible array of wildlife, including jaguars, tapirs, monkeys, sloths, and many species of birds. The park's pristine beaches and coastal areas also offer the opportunity to see dolphins, whales, and sea turtles. The tourism industry in Corcovado offers travelers the opportunity to explore this remarkable park through various activities such as hiking trails, wildlife watching tours, and bird watching expeditions. The park's well-maintained trails allow visitors to immerse themselves in its natural beauty while surrounded by lush vegetation and exotic wildlife.